Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
Stainless steel appliances get dirty, greasy, dusty and full of fingerprints. It's quite challenging to clean stainless steel appliances because every finish is different depending on the brand and the type of steel that was used. You can see in these before shots how dirty my refrigerator got. It really needs a good clean and polish. On the internet are a lot of ways to clean stainless steel appliances with so many products that you get overwhelmed and you don't even know what to use anymore. For me, the product that works best, that works amazing on different stainless steel finishes, is a homemade one. And it's cheap too, so win-win! And believe me, I tried so many products over the years. Now I will show you how to make it. It's so simple and you will be amazed by the result. All you need is a spray bottle, white vinegar and baby oil. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and baby oil and that's it! Your DIY homemade cleaner is ready. I will show you how it works on different surfaces. Spray, wipe with a microfiber cloth and be prepared to see how everything shines. First I wiped the oven, now let's see on the microwave. My microwave has a poor stainless steel finish, so it was always a big challenge to clean it. But since I discovered this DIY cleaner, it has been easier. You can see all the fingerprints and smudges. Then look what a good job this cleaner does. It leaves it streak-free and shiny. The white vinegar has a cleaning power and the baby oil has a polishing power. The perfect mix. The last one to show you is the fridge. You saw at the beginning of the video how bad it got, how dirty and full of fingerprints and dust. You have to make sure to work with the grain for better results. If you clean against the grain, you clean for longer and you even may ruin the finish. So remember, always go with the grain. This homemade cleaner leaves a streak-free finish and it will make your refrigerator look brand new. Now look at the final result. Clean, shiny, no more fingerprints, smudges or dust. So shiny. I love how this product works and it's cheap to make and easy to use. It really checks all the boxes. I hope today's video inspired you to go make some stainless steel appliances cleaner and tackle your kitchen. On my channel I have a lot of videos like this. If you're interested, I will link at the end my cleaning hacks playlist. You can also find on my channel other videos regarding stain removal, home projects, gardening, cleaning helper products, cleaning motivation, outdoor cleaning, shoe cleaning tips, organization, laundry hacks, folding, and more. I hope you will stick around. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!